Have you ever felt like you are drowning in bills, stuck in a circle of endless expenses? You are not alone. Today we're talking about a realistic approach to overcome your financial struggles with practical, actionable steps to take control of your money. First of all, we should understand about financial struggles. So many of us live paycheck to paycheck, constantly trying to manage personal finances and avoid overspending. Social expectations and lifestyle pressure only add to the weight of financial stress. It's time to break free from these invisible chains by being aware of the main causes. I call it a 5-step approach. Firstly, setting financial goals. Setting achievable financial goals is crucial in your financial journey toward financial independence. Think about goals that reflect a minimalist lifestyle and your personal growth aspiration. Define what truly matters and set clear, realistic goals to guide you. The best method is the SMART goal. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. I explained about the SMART goal in a previous video. You can find the link below. Secondly, building a sustainable budget. Isn't a limitation, it's a tool for freedom. Start with straightforward budgeting strategies that ensure financial stability without adding complexity into your life. Emphasize the growth of minimalism. Prioritize needs over wants. This is your entry into intentional living. Thirdly, breaking bad financial habits. We all have those bad money habits, impulse buying, relying on credit cards that undermine financial wellness. Identify yours and find practical ways to replace them with healthier habits. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. I include the other video, 7 money habits keeping you poor, in the description below. Step number 4, embracing financial literacy. Financial literacy is key to navigating personal finance challenges. Invest your time in learning and understanding the language of money, either reading financial book, learning online courses, or watching personal finance videos, including my videos. Use tools and resources designed for your lifestyle to enhance your personal knowledge and empower your decision making. Step number 5, finding additional income streams. Consider diversifying your income through online entrepreneurship. So why you should rely on a single source when there are multiple opportunities out there? Find a side hustle that aligns with your personal goals and add a layer of security to your finances. When you go on those steps, you're achieving financial confidence. When you exude financial confidence, it radiates into other aspects of life, enhancing personal success and work-life balance. The core of financial independence is living intentionally, focusing on what brings joy and purpose. So remember, overcoming financial struggles is about taking actionable steps and making empowered choices every day. Start a journey toward achieving your goals and be sure to subscribe for more insights like this. Share your personal finance journeys in the comments and let's support each other toward. And talking about finding additional income streams is essential. Use your time effectively. Watch this next video. 5 things I did to stop waiting my evening after work.